In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on IC Markets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and head on over to IC Markets and sign into the account you would like to delete. So I'm inside my account here. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and click onto Accounts and then choose which account you'd like to delete. So we can go ahead and click on the three dots, but there's no delete button. We've only got hide, so we can hide an account inside of here if you want, but that's not actually deleting your account. So only way we can do this is by contacting support. So you can see a little chat bubble appearing on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Basically go ahead and open that up and then type in something along the lines, hey, I'd like to delete my account, can you help me with this? So type in, yeah, something similar like that, and then basically just go through the steps. So it's going to ask you what is your email address, etc., etc. Then after that, they're going to help you delete your account.